Welcome guys, welcome to another section with me. It's your girl Fortu Coulson, and today we'll be learning how to design this church amazing design flyer. So let's get to our Pixel Lab. Alright, so this is the default of our Pixel Lab. The first thing we will do, we're going to delete this new text, come to this A icon, delete, come to our background icon, come to image size. We're going to change the size to 4000 by 4000. Okay, so come to color, come to this color, change it to black. Okay, mark this good sign. So we're going to come to imports. We're going to bring in the flyer we'll be designing so that we'll be looking at it as we are doing our design. So this is the flyer we'll be working on. Okay, so now let's go bring in the background we'll be doing. Come to imports, then locate the folder where you saved your designs. Alright, so this is the background we'll be using. So you mark this good sign. So you're going to drag it, just increase it, Alright. Okay. So let's copy it. Let's delete the first one. The front, let's see. Okay, good. So we're going to scroll by your right. We're going to do some background manipulation. So let's come to color filters. We're going to increase the hue. Let's give it -20. Sorry, -20. Alright, good. So for the saturation, we're going to increase it a bit to 27. The brightness, we're going to reduce the brightness to -45. Alright, good. Then the contrast, we're going to increase it to 15. Okay, good. So we're going to mark this good sign. Good. So we'll come to our eraser tool. Good. We're going to clean this edge. We're going to first of all increase the size a bit, then increase the opacity of the eraser. Then you're going to increase the handle, so we'll be holding it to clean it. So just hold it and erase it down like this. Okay. Just stay with me on this background manipulation. Okay, so you mark this good sign. Good. So we've actually blurred that edge. So what we'll do next now, if you look at it very well, you discover that the background didn't cover to this end. You understand? It's in short. So let's click on it. We're going to copy it. Copy it. Alright. Okay, so we've copied it here now to now. So we'll come to crop. We're going to flip it like this. We're going to rotate the side. You understand? So we've rotated the side like this. Just mark this good sign. So this one we copied, we're going to put it in this edge like this. Okay, to fill up the space. Good. So we'll come to our background icon here, and we're going to lock the both together. I'm going to lock the both of them together. Okay, sorry, let's bring this to the front. Okay, if you look at this very well, you discover that the stuff is now one background. Okay, still on it, we're not done with our background manipulation. So let's come to shape, increase the radius, reduce the opacity, increase the stroke width, reduce it very well. Okay, so you scroll down, come to color. We're using this green color. Good. Scroll down, come to your blur radius. We're going to increase our blur radius to the highest. Good. So you mark this good sign. So we're going to increase it very well. Good, very well. Just put it on its face like this. Then we'll come to opacity, reduce the opacity. Okay. Good. We don't want this color. We just want it to have a uniform color. Want everything to have a uniform color. So okay, good. So copy it again, copy that blur effect, reduce it very well. Just put it this way like this. Come to our opacity, reduce your opacity very well, very well. Okay, perfect. Sorry. So come to our layer panel. Always lock your stuff so that they won't be moving and disturbing your work. Good. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to start bringing in the stuff we want to use. So let's bring in the church logo. Come to import, locate the folder where you have your logo being saved. So we're making use of this logo. Okay, so you mark this good sign. We're going to reduce this very well. Alright, good. Come to your A icon, come to edit, type in the name of the church, Altar of God's Grace Ministry. Okay, good. So scroll by your right, you come to fonts. The fonts we'll be using is called NASA Heavy. Alright, so this is the font we'll be using. Mark this good sign. So we're going to reduce it very well. Okay, still going to reduce it. Alright, good. So the space between them is much. To come to line spacing, reduce the line spacing between them. So using our position button, let's position it close to the church logo. Alright, so this is perfect. Now let's make the logo and the church name to be in the center of our design. You come to our layer panel, click on this icon here, then select the both of them, click on this second icon, click on relative position and centralize it. Good. So we have this, you mark this good sign, click on this layer button to go back. Perfect. So the next thing we are going to do now, we're going to type in join our weekly. Alright, so just copy, we're using the same font. Okay, come down here, come to edit. So join our weekly. Okay, let's see if they are on capital letter. Join our weekly. Good. Alright, still going to centralize it though. Good. Then we'll come to, just scroll by your right, come to style. Okay, this is it. Then you're going to click on this to interlize it. Look at it here. If you want to bolden it, you can bolden it. If you want to underline, you can underline it, but I don't want that, so I want to just interlize it. This one here, so you mark this good sign. So we'll come back to color. We're going to use our yellow color. We have it here. This is the color just edit it from your color panel, this sharp yellow. So you mark this good sign. Using your relative position, make sure it is at the center of your design. We're working with center alignment. Alright, good. So we'll come to text again, bring it down. We're going to type in prayer meeting. Alright, good. Increase the size. Scroll by your right. Let's come to fonts. The name of the font we're using is Covetica Compress. This one here, Covetica. This is the name of the font we're using. Okay, so bring it down like this. We're going to increase the size. Alright, working with 220. Good. You discover that the space between them is too much, so just scroll by your right, come to your line spacing. You reduce the line spacing between them. Just reduce it. Alright, okay, good. -100, just mark this good sign. So you come to alignment, make sure it's your center align. Good, center alignment, mark this good sign. Perfect. So you scroll by your left, you come to color. We're using this green color. This color is what we're using here. Okay, just pick it from this angle here like this. Okay, so this is the color we're using. Mark this good sign. So if you take a look at this flyer very well. Let me show you something. You'll be seeing something at the back of this text. It's called a shadow. Good. So let's go and let's create that shadow. So bring your text back. Let's centralize it. Good. So you scroll by your right, you come to shadow. This shadow, you enable your shadow first of all. Then the color of the shadow once you use is black. Okay, you pick the black, you screw up. The opacity, you're going to reduce your opacity to 100. Yeah, just leave it at 100. We want it to be very, very dark. Good. So we screw down. The opacity, the blur radius is going to be 0. Reduce it to 0. Then the offset is going to be 7. Offset 7. Then the down is going to be 3. Offset x is 7. Offset y is 3. So let me explain it again. On your shadow, just after enabling your shadow, the opacity should be 100 and the color of the shadow should be black. Then the blur radius is going to be 0. Reduce it to 0. Then your offset x is going to be 7. Your offset y is going to be 3. You mark this good sign. So we've actually added that effect to our design. Perfect. Okay, good. So mark this good sign. So I want to lock it so it won't be disturbing us. So I've lock it like that. So the next we are going to do now, we're going to bring in a shape. Come to shape. Okay, shape. Okay, it should be on starting from the M to the G. So you scroll down, you come to gradients. Okay, so you come to your default gradients color. You click on that plus icon there. So we're going to use we're clicking yellow and white. So first of all, highlight this black one. The yellow we're using a very sharp yellow. Okay, so this is how you do it. Then this one is already white, so just drag it like this to this extent. Then you drag this one like this to this extent. It should be sitting on it like this, so there will be a sharp edge on it. Mark this good sign. So that's how we actually achieve this stuff like this. You can see. Good. So you mark this good sign. Make sure it's at the center of your design. Let's squeeze it a bit. Think. Good. Alright, so using our position button, let's bring it up a little. Good. So now we're going to come to this our church name, copy it, bring it down, then type in the time of the program, which is 5 p.m. Okay, good. So we're going to change the color, so black, increase the size. Alright, so we'll be changing the fonts we're using for this. We want a very, very, very bold font. So we're using Popping Bold. This is the fonts we're using. Alright, good. So after bolding the fonts, we're going to come to style. We're going to internalize it. Mark this good sign. Good. So using your position button, make sure it's at the center of the yellow shape. Good. So copy it, bring it down, then you type every Monday. Every Monday. Alright. Good. Okay. Let's move everything down. Didn't know how it got to that extent. So we'll select the 3 of them like this. Click on this second icon, click on your position, then you start bringing it down. Bring everything down. Okay. Alright, mark this good sign. Click on your prayer meeting, then bring it down. Okay, good. Click on join our weekly, also bring it down. Alright, good. So this church name and the logo, we're still going to bring it down. Let's select both of them. This is the church name and this is the church logo. Click on this second icon, click on this position here, then reduce it, bring it down. Alright, mark this good sign. Perfect. Good. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to create a shape. We want to write the address of the church. So we'll come to shape. You come to shape. Okay. So let's create a very rectangle shape like this. Okay. So you come. Okay. So you mark this good sign. We're using white. Then we'll come to our opacity. We're going to reduce the opacity. Reduce it to be 10. Good. After reducing the opacity, you scroll by your right, you come to shadow. Inner shadow. This is inner shadow. So you enable your inner shadow and you're going to use white. Your inner shadow should be white. Okay. Good. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's take it up a little. Okay, it's okay in that position. It's okay in this position. Good. So now let's write in the name of the address. Just copy the church using this same font. In any design you're doing, you shouldn't use more than 3 fonts. Like in this one that we're designing now, we have 3 fonts. We have popping bold. We have Neza heavy, and we have Covetica. Good. If you look at it very well, the NASA board and the popping, they look alike. Okay, so let's come to alignment. Use center alignment for this. Alright, so let's position it inside this box. Let's see, reduce it a bit. Okay. Alright, perfect. So let's bring in our location icon. Let's first of all make a circle, a small circle. Reduce it. Okay. Okay, let's go and bring it like logo. Alright, so this is the location icon we'll be using. So just crop out this part, this one, mark this good sign here, bring it down. So it's black. We can't use black color because it's not going to be showing where. So we want to use red. Just come to your color, enable it. The default color is red. So reduce the size very well. Reduce the size and position it at the front of the address inside the opacity shape, the transparent shape we just made. Alright, let's reduce it a bit. Good. So we're going to create another shape, a small rectangle, a small circle shape, so that it is going to create a contrast for us, so we'll be able to be seeing the location icon very well. So we bring it down. Okay, it should be at the back. So come to your layer icon, move it to the back like this, move it. Alright, okay, just take your time and make sure you position inside the circle properly. Okay, so let's delete this one. Delete. Good. Perfect. So we're done with our design. Let's move all this thing downward a bit. I think it is a little bit too close to the church name. So we'll come to our layer panel. What we do here, we just click on this down icon here. You select the prayer meeting. You select the shape. That's a yellow and white shape. You select join our weekly. You select the time and the day. Good. Then you come down to the second icon here. You come to your position button, then you bring it down. Okay, bring it down. Alright, you mark this good sign, click on your layer panel to go back. Good. You're done with the with what you're doing with design, you come to save it as a project. Let's just give it a name. Let's say altar. Okay. Okay, after saving it as projects, you save your work as image. Ultra save to gallery. Alright, so now we've done with the design. Let's go to our Snapseed app to edit our work. Alright, so this is our Snapseed app. Just click on it. Okay, click on this plus icon, then select the flyer we just designed. Good. So we're going to come to accentuate this one. Just click on accentuate, wait for it to load. Alright, so we'll mark this good sign. So you come to tools, come to tune image. I want to add some special effects to it. So come to your contrast, increase it a bit. Saturation, give it saturation. Ambience, okay, no, 0. Shadow, increase the shadow a bit. Saturation, okay, good. So the contrast I use is plus 22, the saturation is plus 43, and the shadow is minus 15. Okay, so you mark this good sign here. Alright, so long press. Okay, we're not done yet. Come to tools, come to details. We're going to increase the structure a bit, increase the sharpening. Alright, increase the sharpening. So you mark this good sign, yeah? Good. If you long press on it, you see the one we brought in for Pixel Lab. If you remove your hand, you see the one we just finished editing. You can see the difference. The difference is so clear. The one we finished editing is very sharp and beautiful. So you come to export, then you click on save. It's going to save directly into your gallery. Just wait for it to load. It doesn't take time. Alright, so we're done. Your design is ready. Bye for now, and I'll see you in the next section.